So recording is on. Let's start. In today's video, I want to show you how to get rid of stains, how to get rid of in post the stains that you got on your lens. This is not a bulletproof method for all the situations, but in some of the cases, it's really helpful. So today I'm going to show you how to remove, for instance, a dot like this. Also, we're gonna take a look at second example in here. You probably see there is a nasty stain. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. By the way, this method is working in free version of Davinci Resolve, so pretty cool. Okay, let's start with this little stain here. Get rid a stain like this. Let me play this clip. Yeah, it's not moving to neither directions. So this is the example that is actually really simple, because all you need to do in that case is in a separate node, as you see, I got my grade here, and I've added a serial node. I call that stains, and in here I get rid of this stain. Hope you can see it right now. So let me reset this node and let's start from the beginning. So first, what you need to do is pick up the power window. In most of the cases, that would be a circle, and you need to position it on top of your stain. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Switch to highlight mode, so Shift H to see what exactly is selected. You can make a nice smooth edges. Let me disable highlight mode. You can enable highlight mode also here at this bottom. Okay, we got our power window, so we're gonna manipulate, we're gonna affect only this part of the image. And now what we need to do is to replace it with a background that it's clean. So the easiest way to do it in such case, when you have a solid color background, this actually is a kind of a gradient, but that's fine because we've smoothed out the edges. So what you need to do is to go to Sizing tab and choose Node Sizing. In Node Sizing, simply check Key Lock and then move your selection by using pen and tilt until the stain disappears. So let me try pen, and it's gone. I hope you've seen that. Let me zoom it again and repeat this step so you see it on YouTube. I hope you see that here there is a stain, and now if I move it to the right, I've replaced it with the image that was to the left of the stain. So it's gone. It's basically gone. If we play it, it's clean now. Okay, so that will be the first example. Now let's take a look at second example, a bit more advanced, but also very easy to implement. So let me go to the shot number one. So as you see, we got a similar situation. We got a dot, a stain that is surrounded by a solid color, solid background. And if we play it, we got a different situation because the stain is actually moving along the shot. So go to the frame where your stain is visible, so somewhere around here. Apply a power window, circle power window as well. Let me see it. Yeah, I think the smoothness is also okay. And now, as an additional step, you need to track this this dot, this stain. So simply go to Tracker. And in here, in most of the cases, if you track it as default like this with all these options selected, that's fine. Sometimes you might need to deselect 3D or rotate and zoom, because basically the stains on the lens move left to right, up and down, so pen and tilt should be enough. But I will leave it that way as default, and you click track forward and reverse. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I think it was correctly tracked. Let me check it. Yeah, as you see, our fire window is moving along with our stain. Okay, it's maybe not perfect, but it's close enough to get rid of this dot. And again, go to sizing tab. Remember to switch to node sizing, check key lock, and maybe this time I will move it down. So let me change tilt. Nope, doesn't work that way. Maybe up. Yeah, it's better to move it up. You got some kind of circle brighter area here, but in fact, since these are the clouds and it looks more or less like some kind of cloud, we can leave it that way. So let me check it. Yeah, or you can try pan if you don't like it. It also gave us additional cloud because we were covering everything that was on the left and we were covering our dot. So yeah, that works as well. Okay guys, so that would be my 2 ways on how to get rid of stains on your lens in post using free Davinci Resolve. Hope you liked that, hope you learned something. Check out my other tutorials if you haven't already. Leave a comment if you like that. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss out upcoming tutorials. Cheers and see you in the next one.